Hello. On behalf of the entire team of Larosa Machinery Company, I would like to welcome you to our website. Did you know we have been a leading supplier and consultant for industrial machinery since 1996? Over the years, we have been providing a one-stop shopping platform for all your industrial machinery requirements. Check our products details online, and if you have any questions, just call us on our toll-free number, 800-LAROSA. That is 800-527672, and our friendly customer service and technical team will be happy to assist you. Looking forward to speaking to you soon. Enjoy!
Larosa Machinery and Equipment Trading Company, building its strength toward a successful future. Starting its endeavor in the year 1996, Larosa Machinery and Equipment Trading Company has made its mark in the industry with constructive efforts with quality and trust, and today is considered one of the leading and reputed suppliers of industry machinery in the UAE. Our main office is located in Sharjah Industrial Area 2. Larosa Machinery and Equipment Trading Company offers a comprehensive product range that covers different types of high-quality industrial machinery products, induct machines, sheet metal fabrication machines, engineering machines, and sandwich panel making machines, backed with an excellent after-sales service. The constant search for quality has made Larosa Machinery the company it is today, a benchmark name for industrial machineries in the UAE, the Gulf Arab states, Egypt, Lebanon, Jordan, and in a number of African states, as well as in Europe and Asia. Being an organization that is devoted to customer satisfaction, Larosa ensures that all the machines and associated equipment that is sent out is of the best grade. The guarantee that they will not cause any trouble to the customers is determined by the fact that simply the most superior quality equipment is sourced and is put through stringent tests and checks with a complete quality control before being dispatched to national and international clients. As a leading consultant to the industrial machines industry, Larosa Machinery's sales team provides a 360-degree integrated solution to its customers with a quality and reliable product with qualified training sessions and after-sales support. Looking at the growing future, Larosa aims to venture into new markets. Participating in various exhibitions is part of the few steps to showcase the latest technologies offered to the end users. These platforms provide the sales and the technical teams to interact with clients and discuss innovative ideas and build new business relationships. With such a vast range of machinery, as well as their passion and dedication in offering the finest products and services to their clients, Larosa Machinery and Equipment Trading Company has won a position of honor and repute in the local market. Larosa Machinery and Equipment Trading Company, your trusted machinery consultants and suppliers since 1996.